Deputy Commissioner Ri-Bhoi District, Dr. Abhishek Saini, Mynta Sngi ulalum Jinglang batki officer, Jangkitnat sorkar prepare, Banwar ikila jingïada nak Jingshlei kabujujia manusnem, haga Thaiñ Jorabat-Khanapara. Hagani Jinglang, Layadonlang ki officer nak NHAI, PWD, Water Resources, Police, District Disaster Management Authority, Soil and Water Conservation, Forest Department batki he officer naka NESAC. Habakran harian ke Jinglang, UDC ula ongba, yakran sani halor kisinjam, kibade bala banshim mardor, badru kila jingïada kibane man pinduna ke jingè jung ki paidbah, hakabaya de bat ke Jingshlei bakinthop ya ke jingpinhe bat pinkhu ikinala UDC ula kerpadru iki paidbah, bakin ambrat jabo hakinala namar ke jingka jongki, nala kalongkawai niki dauba, kiba pinlong ya ke Jingshlei haba Jerusalem.
So today we had a coordination meeting to look for various measures and solutions to solve the flooding problem in the Jorabat-Khanapara area. We had a meeting with the various line departments, including from NHAI, from PWD, Water Resources, Police Department, District Disaster Management Office, and Soil and Water Conservation, Forest also. And we discussed at length the various immediate measures as well as the long-term measures that are required to be taken. Various measures have already been taken in the past also. However, we need to speed that up, and our effort was to make sure that that the flooding problem we can mitigate, and also what to do so that in long term the impact is less. Officials from NESAC were also there, and decisions were taken in various categories, like for example widening the drains that are there, and to NHAI cleaning of the drains, and at the same time any kind of constructions required, whether check dams or other places. And we focused on the hotspots where flooding has been recurring, and we have also issued various orders. And I would also urge the various citizens to please make sure that the garbage is not thrown into the drains, because many cases we have seen that it ends up clogging the drains, and in the end the water does not get the proper outlet and it leads to flooding. So I would request cooperation from the citizens also, so that we are able to solve this problem in the short term as well as in the long term. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.